It was a peaceful ride home. Everyone was tired, everyone was quiet except two people. Trouble was sitting right here waiting. And then she did it, a tiny drop, a tiny splash, the beginning of chaos. The boy's shocked expression, eyes wide, mouth open. The boys in the back react dramatically.
The van transformed into a battlefield. Girl said, "Okay, just a minute."
He opened the bottle with the seriousness of a hero, and just like that the war had begun. Girl shouting, "I am getting mad but angry in a funny way." But in the end, no one stays angry forever. A small smile appears on both their faces. They laugh quietly. And that was the story of the smallest, funniest water war ever.